Girl, I feel like Clara Huxtable up in here like, hey girl, what's good? Hey Queendom crew, welcome back to the Queendom, my YouTube channel. It's your girl Nene, and today I'm giving you another bomb, amazing, fabulous wig review, and this one is fairly new. But before we get started, of course, I need you to do a few things for me. Before we even hop into this thing, y'all, I need you to click that subscribe button. If you're new, what's up, girl? Thank you so much for clicking this video. All you have to do to join this amazing family is click the subscribe button. I promise you, you have been missing out, but no more, because you are about to join the best family ever. You feel me? Like, we're lit, okay? And if you're one of my fabulous queens in this queendom, what is good, sis? How have you been? So glad you're back. All right, so before we get into everything, guys, make sure you follow me on all my social media at Queendom Mindset so we can keep up with each other. And last but not least, check out my new book. It's called The Wig Game on Amazon. All right, let's do this thing. So the unit I'm giving you is by Sensationnel. This is the Curls, Kinks, and Co. Textured half wig boss lady, and I have her in the color 1. Now she does have somewhat of a partner. It is called Rainmaker. I did review that unit already. If you would like to see it, make sure you check the tag at the end of the video after the 360 view. So ladies, this unit is supposed to be an instant weave. It comes with one large comb in the front and one large comb in the back of the wig, as well as adjustable straps. Now this is a half wig, so of course it's going to be big head friendly because you're not wearing it all the way to the front of your hair, and you can adjust how much leave out you want to take out and how much you do not want to blend with your actual hair. So this is supposed to tailor to textures from 3B to 4C and mimic a natural hair blowout or a roller set. So it does give you some step-by-step instructions for those of you who may have trouble blending your leave out on the stock card, which is amazing, as well as some maintenance tips to blend your hair. I did a simple blending method. I didn't even take that much of my hair out. When I did the Rainmaker, it's a lot longer, so I did take more of my hair out, but I honestly just took some edges out for this one because the hair is so fluffy and big. I just wanted to see what was the minimum that I could take out. And plus, I don't do a lot with my natural hair. When it's braided up, it is in a protective style. So this is my final look for Boss Lady. I have a fabulous 360 and some things you need to know about this unit at the end of this video, so make sure you keep watching. What's good, Queendom crew? I am ready to give you all the wig tea on this unit that I am wearing right now. So once again, this is Sensationnel Curls, Kinks, and Co. This is their half wig boss lady, and I have it in the color 1. So guys, I am really excited about this unit. I already reviewed their twin to this unit. She's a little bit different, but the curl pattern and the overall objective is the same, and her name is Rainmaker. So if you want to see that video, make sure you stay to the end. After 360, I will put the tag at the end of the video. So guys, I am really liking this unit. I actually like it better than Rainmaker because she's shorter and I feel like she's more manageable. Now when I did Rainmaker, I did pull out those curls and make the wig really big and fluffy, but for this unit I wanted to keep the curls, and I'm so glad I did. It's just like this little cute curls, like I just came out the salon, got me a little blowout or whatever, and it's so cute, you guys. So this is a textured half wig. And the way I styled my hair is really, really simple. Actually don't even have like barely any leave out right now. It's mainly just some edges and a little bit of side hairs from my hairline. But this wig was so easy to style, you guys. I actually have no cons whatsoever. It was easy to style. The color is cute and matches my hair texture. The curls are gorgeous. The cap size is big head friendly, and of course it's a half wig, so it's not going to go to the top of your scalp, so you have plenty of room in that cap. It comes with 2 large combs, one in the front, one in the back. I haven't had any shedding or tangling, of course, because I didn't take out these curls, and honestly it's all good with this unit. Like, Boss Lady is lit. Shorter hair is best for me, and it's just more manageable. Like, I'm definitely going to be slaying this at work next week, so I'm excited. So question of the day, you guys. So the question of the day, you guys, is a little bit different. I want you to comment below one wig that you have not been able to find a review on that you want to see a review on. Because the one thing about my channel is, guys, this is for you. Like, of course, I love wigs and I love reviewing them, but I want to bring you guys what you want to see because y'all are the one watching and supporting me. So question of the day, once again, what is one wig that you want to see reviewed that you haven't been able to find, or you didn't like the reviews that you saw and you want to see a really good one that you know your girl can bring you? So make sure you guys comment that below. And speaking of comments, shout out to the comment winner. Thank you so much for commenting. If you want to be the comment winner on the next video and be featured in my next video, all you have to do is comment below. As always, guys, make sure you click subscribe and join this amazing Queendom and family. We are growing. We are almost to 2,000 subbies and I'm so happy. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.